Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's Veganuary day 23. I've got a cute little recipe for you.
Ooh, a cute one.
A little cute one. It's very simple. It's involving everyone's favorite, the hot new food, chia seeds. So this is something that is elegant enough for dessert, but it's also healthy enough to eat for breakfast. So if you want to load it up with fruit or whatnot, you could definitely have this for breakfast and be very healthy and health conscious about it. But you also can be naughty at dessert time and not feel guilty about it either. So it's really tasty. I used to make this without blending it, and that's just gross. I'm sorry. It's just like bird poop.
I never eat it because it grossed me out.
Yeah, it's like basically tapioca pudding, but like a really gross tapioca pudding when you don't blend it. So when I discovered blending it, I was just like, oh, that's a game changer. Why didn't I realize this before? So it's really simple. Like I said, we've got a half a cup of the chia seeds in here. And to that, we're going to be adding a pinch of salt, because this is going to be like a chocolate sea salt pudding. We're also going to add this delicious pure vanilla extract.
Ooh.
Just a splash. I never measure. Never. You can't make me. This, like I said, is going to be chocolate. And this is the most decadent raw cacao. It's Navida's, which is my favorite brand. We're putting like a quarter of a cup of that in there. Don't worry, all the measurements are going to be in the info box, so you won't miss anything. You've got to sweeten it up because this is unsweetened and raw. So we're going to add the same amount of maple syrup that we did. You don't measure. I don't measure the vanilla. So don't get it twisted. Okay. If you like it a little sweeter, add a little bit more. If you like it not so sweet, don't add as much. Now we're going to be making this with this super extra creamy oat milk today. I've never made this with oat milk before. I've always used almond milk, and I've always been like, that's okay. So I'm excited to see if it's going to be that much creamier with this creamy oat milk. So we're going to put in a cup and a half of that. You don't need a really high-speed blender to do this. I think this is going to be just fine in your regular run-of-the-mill blender. You just got to blend the S out of it. Because you don't want any visual whole like chia seeds. You want it to be completely smooth as a baby's buttock. So we're going to get the cap on here. We're going to do this in a little tiny personal blender. I hope I didn't exceed the... I hope not. But we'll see. I'm just going to give this a shake on the bottom because we don't want all the seeds stuck at the top. There. Alright, we're just going to blend and blend and blend, and then we're going to blend some more. I blended this for about 3 minutes or so, and you can see it's very chocolate milkshakey. We're just going to put this in the fridge, let it chill, because nobody wants to eat lukewarm pudding. Ugh, right? So it'll even get thicker and thicker as you leave it in the fridge, because the chia will soak up all of the liquid, and it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful chocolate pudding. Oh my gosh, how delicious does that look?
It's really good.
So,
we got some Ready Whip on it.
Yeah, we've got some almond milk Ready Whip. You can see it's really thick. You can't even like basically pour it out. No, I can't. You have to eat the top. But I can still eat the pudding because it's got the oat milk, but it's nice and thick.
Look at that consistency.
Right?
Very nice. All right, let's get a taste. Yeah, you don't get the seeds like we were before.
Right.
It's not nasty. It's good.
Yeah.
It's very good.
You could eat that for breakfast with a pile of fruit on top, couldn't you? That would be
breakfast,
nice.
Dessert. Yeah, it's not too sweet that I would like puke if I had it for breakfast.
Yeah. And it's an okay dessert.
I could right now, but we're having dinner in a little while. Ooh, maybe for dessert though.
Yeah, you could have it with your fruit for dessert.
Here,
the blueberries on there.
Cream.
I already tried it.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna have to put that back in the rotation because I think it's really tasty.
Yeah, I could be into that.
And it's really simple, and you don't need like a fancy schmancy blender to do it. You could just do it in your regular blender.
And healthy?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's healthy. So give it a shot. Let me know if you try it, or if you love it. Subscribe for more. We're almost at the end of Veganuary, my Vegaversary of 4 years, February 1st. And subscribe for more. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Anything else I can say? Probably. Except much love.